This strategy is so simple and easy, everybody can do it. I will show you how to take profits and open trades with a very easy indicator. But first, let's go and talk here about Bitcoin. We can see we are trying to break out here. We tested this resistance at around $109,500, and it seems like we got rejected there. Let's see right now. We had quite a big red candle here in the past 2 hours. Let's see if we will manage to go back above or if we will go down below and continue the downtrend. For now, we broke out of this smaller downtrend here, which is definitely positive. And let's see what the next days will bring us. We are still in this big downtrend here though, so we can see we're still having this big downtrend that we have to break out from, so we can easily still go to 112 and still reject from there. So we are not in safe waters yet. Let's see, I will talk about it also, how I'm using my strategy to open trades. We can see here down below, here we have the RSI indicator. This is the relative strength index. This basically shows you how cold or how hot the market is. Here you can see when the RSI is low, usually around 25, I'm starting to opening my positions, my long positions. And when the RSI gets hot, or too high, above 80, that's the time to take some profits and or open a short position. It depends if you are opening shorts or not. Some people just like to do long positions. But now let's see here. The RSI is in the middle right now on the 4 hourly. So it's not time to buy, not time to sell yet. I would say we might be up for a little bit of a sideways move. We can see we were already a little bit overbought here on the 1 hourly RSI, and exactly as we can see it here, we were overbought and we already started to go down. It's as easy as that. You just have to watch the RSI indicator. When you see that it's getting a little bit overbought or hot, you just take some profits, or you can open a small short. You can start taking profits when we reach the middle zone here, and put also a nice stop loss in the profit zone. Very easy. Like that, you will do better than 99% of the traders out there. So simple and so easy. Just use the RSI indicator. When it's overbought, take some profits or open a short. When it's oversold, you can open some long positions or buy some more on the spot market. Very easy, simple, everybody can do it. And just use a stop loss and a take profit. Like that, you're already doing better than 99% of the traders out there. Now, let's also quickly talk about Ethereum. We were testing the $4,000 resistance here as well, and we see we got rejected there, which is not so beautiful, I have to say. Let's see what can we see here on the charts. Still a downtrend, guys. You can see here we have, looks a little bit like an inverse head and shoulders, a tilted one, but let's see if it will play out or not. For now, I think the market, it's still uncertain. I wouldn't open any massive longs or massive shorts right now. I would just wait for the right opportunity. And we can see it here on the Ethereum chart. So easy, guys. We were touching just here the overbought zone, and we can see the market already had a nice retracement from there. It's so easy. Just take some profits when the RSI is overbought and add some more to your positions, or open a new position when the RSI is oversold. Simple and easy. Now I think we'll probably go. We were testing this megaphone pattern here on Ethereum, or let me quickly go over here. No, it's not a, this is the megaphone pattern here. We were testing the resistance here. Let's see. I think we will probably go and touch the zone still. $3,400. That's where I'm looking to open a nice swing trade position. For now, the market is not oversold, and there is not a lot of opium in the market, so I can do some scalps. So I'm just patiently waiting on the sidelines. It's as easy as that. It's one of the most important skills as a trader. have patience and wait for the right trading setup. For now, I'm waiting for extreme fear. We don't have extreme fear right now. That's why I'm on the sidelines. It would have been good to add some more here, but this happened during the nighttime in my time zone. That's why I couldn't buy this very juicy sale right here. But I'm waiting for the next position. Usually we tend to retest these zones. Let's also check a little bit the altcoin market. We can see Solana 185. Let's see, still not out of the downtrend as well. It's still here, so we might see another leg down here below the 174. Let's see what will happen there. Let's check the RSI. We can see RSI was overbought here and we drop down below. It's so easy, guys. Just have to trust the RSI and maybe use some other indicators and also your gut feeling. But always don't open any positions if the RSI is not completely oversold for long positions or completely overbought for short positions. It's as easy as that. This was it for today's video. Thank you all for watching. See you again next time. Bye bye.